you are. Comfortable? Good. Phone charged? Endless scroll at the ready? Excellent. Just checking you have everything you really need in this world you've built. Because outside your curated reality, beyond the Wi-Fi signal and the drone of the delivery vans, there's this other thing. Vague, messy, a bit unpaved. Remember it? They used to call it nature. Apparently, way back before we got so incredibly clever, so advanced, people had this quaint idea. They thought they were part of that messy, unpaved thing. Can you imagine? They actually believed in a kind of balance, a pact. They saw life in the rivers, spirits in the trees, a grand, breathing web they were just one thread in. Silly, right? All that potential real estate just being. All those resources just existing. For what? For harmony? But then, phew, we upgraded. We discovered straight lines, concrete, efficiency. We got smart. We decided that web was actually just a buffet, and that harmony thing was seriously impacting shareholder value. So, we cut the threads. Snip, snip, broke the sacred covenant. Sounds dramatic, doesn't it? Like an outdated subscription service. We were finally free. Free to, well, you know, build more stuff. And it's been a roaring success, mostly. Sure, the planet's running a bit of a fever. The ice caps are getting sentimental and melting. A few million species have, opted out. Minor details. Your feed's still working, right? The oceans are a bit soupy. More plastic than plankton in places, but hey, makes for interesting new textures, doesn't it? And that fresh air in the cities adds a certain spice to your morning jog. Character building. But don't worry, we've got it covered. We have nature documentaries, Ultra HD. You can experience all the majesty without the inconvenient mud or the slightly unnerving silence. We even have apps that play relaxing forest sounds, much more predictable than an actual forest. What's left of that original harmony? Well, there are those neat little patches of green we call parks, nature, carefully curated, fenced, and with convenient snack bars. The wild, tamed, and monetized. Perfect. And yet, sometimes, when the Wi-Fi drops, or in that dead quiet before your alarm, don't you feel a faint something? A pull? A memory of a different song beneath the endless noise? That's probably just your stomach rumbling. Or maybe, just maybe, it's the ghost of that broken covenant, the fading whisper of what we so cleverly outgrew. But hey, don't let it bother you. There's probably a new filter for that feeling anyway. Just keep scrolling, keep consuming. After all, what could possibly go wrong when you've forgotten the very ground that holds you up?